Hey everyone, my name is Tristan Hunt and I'm the Internet Manager at Premier Chevrolet. We know that during this time, people prefer to do their shopping online, which is why we partnered with Shop Click Drive to allow you to purchase a vehicle from home. Now you can do this with a new or pre-owned vehicle, and I'm going to walk through a pre-owned vehicle. When you look at the inventory, you'll notice the Shop Click Drive icon under each vehicle. Just click the icon and it will start your purchasing process. So I'm going to use the 2017 Chevy Silverado as an example. On this page, you'll notice the price breakdown, and the standard rate for Shop Click Drive is 4.9%. If you have a down payment, enter the amount and it will be applied to the breakdown. Then you will go to the next page and enter your contact information. So on this page, you're going to enter your first name, and then you're going to put your last name, and you'll add your address. Now this is just if our sales consultants have any questions about your Shop Click Drive application. This way they can either email or give you a call. You'll go ahead and put your state, your zip code, your phone number, and then your email address. And that is my actual email address. So if you have any questions about the process, feel free to email me. Next, it's going to give you the option to come to the dealership to pick up your vehicle, or we can take the vehicle to you and other, which is typically work. And then if you choose you want to get it delivered home, the address you'll be adding here is where you want your vehicle dropped off. And then the next thing Shop Click Drive is going to ask is if you have a trade-in. If you do, then click the box and then select I have a vehicle to trade in. If you have a lease vehicle, that's an option too, but we don't see very much of that. And go ahead and continue to the next page. This page is going to go into more detail about your trade-in. You have the option of doing the Kelley Blue Book trade-in, or you can enter your own trade-in value. I recommend doing the Kelley Blue Book because it will give you a more accurate number. Now for the example, I'm going to enter a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. And for the trim, it's going to be a two-wheel drive crew cab LT. And then I'm going to say that I have 35,000 miles. I recommend putting your trade-in VIN in here because you'll get a more accurate amount. And it's going to ask you if you're still making payments on the vehicle. If you enter the amount, go ahead and do that. But on this example, I said that I don't. And then the next page is going to allow you to add your trade-in options such as parking sensors, backup camera, things like that. Click all that apply in the next. And then this page is going to allow you to choose your condition. So I went ahead and did good for my example. And then it's going to give you your Kelley Blue Book estimated amount. And it's going to give you the option to talk to a sales consultant about the price, or you can move on to the next page, and it's going to add your trade-in value into the breakdown. And then we're going to go ahead and continue to the accessory and protection page. This is going to allow you to purchase accessories to add on to your vehicle, or you can purchase protection such as warranties or prepaid maintenance. So you'll have several accessories to choose from, like center caps, tires, and wheels. So for this example, I'm going to add some wheels. So we're going to add some wheels to our purchase, and it's going to add that price to your breakdown. And then it will give you the option to purchase the protection. So it's going to have service contracts, gap, or prepaid maintenance. And I'm going to add prepaid maintenance for this example. And then you'll notice that the next page summarizes everything that we just did. So it's going to have your address in there and your contact information, your trade-in information, your prepaid maintenance, and your accessories. And then we will go down to the next page. This is going to be a credit application. So you'll notice it gives you the option to fill out the credit application at the dealership, or you can fill it out online. So this, for the example, I'm going to click skip and complete at dealer. So this application does give you the option to add a cosigner in there as well. But we're going to just acknowledge it, and then we're going to go on to the next page. So this page, you're going to upload your documents we will need, such as your driver's license or your insurance, and you can fill out the information on Shop Click Drive, but it will give you the option to skip and complete at the dealership, which I'm going to do here. And this page, you have made it to the final step. This is going to confirm that you want the vehicle delivered at home. It's going to give you the option to choose a day and a time that you want the delivery to happen. Again, we're going to confirm it was at home, and we're going to submit. So that is you submitting a lead, and here is everything we just filled out. You'll notice it's a transaction summary. You've got your down payment, you've got your profile there, your trade-in information, and if you had a credit app and your documents, it would go there as well. And then you'll see that you have your scheduled delivery on April 16th. So this is the Shop Click Drive process. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call. Again, my name's Tristan Hunt, and I'm the Internet Manager at Premier Chevrolet. Thank you and have a great day.